Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. Hello guys, Piyush here, and in this video I am gonna show you how to flash most awaited custom ROM flashing ROM tutorial on MiA1, that is official Resurrection Remix ROM on MiA1. First of all, you should be on the stock ROM and on the official firmware. Flash fastboot stock ROM on MiA1 to get the official firmware and stock ROM Oreo. Second, official TWRP should also be installed. If you don't know how to install official TWRP, I have made a dedicated video of it. Do check it out in the I button over top right corner. So now just remove the lock screen to avoid the encryption issue. Then switch off your device, power off. Then boot into the TWRP mode by pressing the volume up and power key simultaneously. All the ROM and GApps package which are required for flashing Resurrection Remix ROM are given in the description box below. Do check them out. Now take backup of your current ROM. It is very important. If any error occurs, you can revert back to the restore button and you will be on the safer side. Now click on wipe format data and type yes, and there your data will be wiped. So then click back, and then just connect your device to the PC. Now head on over to PC. All the download links are given in the description box. Do check them out. Then select all the files and copy them to the MiA1 internal storage. It will be get detected when you are on the TWRP mode, and do make sure that you take backup of all the ROM, stock ROM, and move it to the PC or somewhere else in the memory card, so you will be on the safer side. So now just get back to your device. Now click on install and choose the Resurrection Remix official.zip and swipe to confirm flash. It will flash the official Resurrection Remix ROM. It will take some time, so just be patient. Now done. Then go back. Now select Twrp Installer.zip file and swipe to confirm flash. It is very important to keep the TWRP. After done, then go back and click on reboot, and then do not, I repeat, do not touch any slots, and then reboot to the recovery again. Click on do not install and it will automatically boot into the recovery. So wait for some time. So just swipe to allow modifications. Now again click on install and then click on OpenGapps.zip and then swipe to confirm flash. It will flash all the Google apps which are not included in the Resurrection Remix ROM. Now go back and then select Magisk.zip and then swipe to confirm flash. Magisk, it gives a systemless root. It is very necessary. Then after done, then click back and then reboot to the system. Click do not install. Then first boot will take up to 5 to 10 minutes, so just be patient. That's the boot animation of official Resurrection Remix ROM. It's kinda cool. So there you go. Now I will do the setup. Just click back and enter your name. The fingerprint is working, I think so. Just checking it out. Yep, it's working. See ya. No issue with the fingerprint. No. This is the interface of the Resurrection Remix ROM, and you have successfully installed official Resurrection Remix ROM on MiA1 by using this method and tutorial. Then go to About Phone, and there you will see RROS version Tsort official, and the Android version is 8.1.0. The RR ROM is generally famous for a lot of customizations, so there is tons of customizations in this ROM. You can see it in the settings, in the configurations. You will see tons of customizations, such as I'll show you right here right now, like allow a navigation bar, on screen buttons. Then you can also disable the hardware keys, and also the backlight of the hardware keys. Yeah, that's much. So if you really enjoyed the video, do comment, like or subscribe. Stay tuned for more such videos and have a great day. Goodbye.